Okay, so what should you take into consideration when purchasing a mechanical keyboard in 2025? Let's start with the connectivity. Every keyboard can be connected with the USB cable to the computer. More expensive models have also wireless connection. The wireless connection doesn't really improve the performance or effectivity in any way. However, if you want to use your keyboard with your desktop gaming PC and let's say your work laptop, then consider taking model that has tri connectivity. This means that it has the wired, wireless, and Bluetooth. The Bluetooth can easily be used to connect the keyboard to your office laptop if you feel like using it on there. Okay, then the LEDs. I'm often riding in environment where there is no good light source available, so backlights is something that's very important to me. However, 99.99% of the models these days have RGBs, so that means that you can change the color of each key or group however you feel like it. Okay, so then the most important thing about mechanical keyboard, the switches. Basically these days there are two standard types of the switches. Tactile, where when you push it down, you will always hear a tactile click as a feedback that you have pushed it down. Then there's the linear models, where the actual force that you need to push it down is always the same all the way down and it doesn't make any click. So basically, if you're looking for a silent keyboard, then go with the linear. Okay, now let's talk about the physical size of the keyboard. There are at least 6 or 7 different sizes of a keyboard these days. I'm gonna go through the few basic ones that I have at hand. Now this is a full-size keyboard. It has the function row on top and it has the numpad on the side. And this is a 75% keyboard. Basically what it is missing is the numpad from the side. Previously this is also known as the 10 keyless or 10 key L model. Then I am out of samples, but 60% would be titled as the mini keyboard, and there you don't have the function row on the top, you just have the numeric rows. Basically you can use the function keys with different kind of key combinations. That's about it. Thanks again for hearing my rants, guys.